talented that still kick raps that cause impact. So where my kids at? These motherfuckers hating, sounding funnier than Sinbad. I'm ill as the pills that they give you when you collapse. This, that, the other, kiss your mother with that mouth. We the assholes that she warned you about. We just storming the house, open doors to a cloud. Got an assortment of style, just be sure to this wow. 6:30 in the morning and there still ain't signs of slowing down. Twin sisters getting wasted, so they both are down.
So I'm just sitting here playing sim, and we got a crazy story that just came from Riverglade MX on Instagram. And their story showed a bunch of insane track changes that they were making. I'm sure everyone watching those stories was super stoked, and it got us fired up. So we're heading out today to Riverglade for the practice that they're holding. We're gonna cover the track, see what it's like, see what the new changes are like, show you all the changes. Stay tuned. See you guys at the track. You got anything to say about what you've seen so far?
I'm kind of scared of the spectator.
Yeah, big run up.
Because it looks like there's just a huge run up, so
we'll see.
I'm worried that I'm gonna overshoot it, but we'll find out soon.
We got the setup. Brody's on the camera today.
We're
back in the vlogs.
It's been a while. It's been a while.
Let's go.
But we made it in. Look, check the new merch.
Ooh.
That nobody buys, but you guys should.
Looking fresh. I mean,
feels good.
Looking like a beautiful day. It's about 30 degrees.
New track layout. We'll see how these boys shred it. I'm just the man behind the camera.
We haven't even started riding, and Ivan's got a battle wound already.
I don't know what it is, man. Alright, don't sauce me, man.
Yeah, I'll try not to. So here's the first track change. Instead of having the sweeper corner and going down into the gully, you hit a 180 right here and go straight into the step down. The second track change comes shortly after. When you come down here, instead of taking a 180 and going into the spectator, you're actually going to keep going straight to be going up straight towards the bus jump. And then finally you go through the gully and there's a new little drop down corner going into the spectator. First ride out. Impressions on the track after the first ride out. It's muddy out there, but the new section, it's a nice change up, really. I mean, I like it, honestly. All in all, I like the new section. It's a switch up from what we've been riding.
Bit too hot though?
I'm happy. It's hot, dude. No wind, 30 degrees, man.
Hot and soupy. The bike is caked right now.
What do you think of the new layout?
Oh, it's pretty good. Something different. It's a little warm.
Oh, I need that for mine.
A little hot. Look at this cold.
It's hot for sure.
All right, second time out. Should be the time that we start flying. What do you think?
We'll see.
I think we got it.
Yeah, 110% from both of these guys.
We're gonna be giving it our all out there.
See it right here.
Come off with heat stroke.
Yeah.
I live on an island. Nah, scratch that. I'm floating on stars and eating some ramen. I'm not from this world. I got houses on comments. I promise. Yeah, I've been trapping out the motherfucking hallway. Niggas ain't learned. Now they gotta learn the hard way. Empty my clip like John Wayne. Niggas want play. They must stank. It's a Broadway. Oh, you want beef? That's okay, bitch. It's a rap. That's word to Chipotle. Lock shit down like probate. In your bitch mouth. That's word to the Colgate.
Gotta show the fellas right after a moto because the boys will be thinking that we weren't trying hard out there. 30 degrees. We're out here grinding. I'm lollygagging around the track. I don't know if you got any clips of that.
Always grinding from out down.
Yeah.
How do you guys feel? One more to go.
Man, I just had to carry a bike, so.
Yeah, I was gonna record
Joey
it,
has
but
been pushing 100% the whole time, but
Yeah.
you might have to tone it down.
yeah.
I might have to lollygag this
more
one
gas than me.
as opposed to other ones. Oh, I'm ripping out there
Cue the
for a third of the track. Yeah, let's do a full start on the
With the
concrete.
juniors, with the everybody.
Let's do it.
All right, have fun.
You too. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I been trapping out the motherfucking hallway. Niggas ain't learned that they gotta learn the hard way. Empty my clip like John Wayne. Niggas want play, they must think it's a Broadway. Oh, you want beef? That's okay, bitch. It's a rap. That's word that Chipotle.
What's that?
That's a thumbnail.